In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Notion page. This is a quick way to reuse a layout, spin up a template, or create a safe copy before making changes. First, open Notion. You can use the web version in your browser or the desktop app. Either works the same for this task. Make sure you're in the workspace that contains the page you want to copy and let the page fully load so all blocks and databases are visible. If you're working in a shared workspace, you'll need permission to duplicate pages. If the option doesn't appear later, that's usually a permission setting the owner can adjust. With the page open, look for the three-dot menu, sometimes called the More menu. You'll find it in the top right of the page near the title, and you can also access a similar three-dot icon next to the page's name in the left sidebar. Hover if you don't see it right away. On mobile, this menu is in the top right as well. Click that menu, then select Duplicate. Notion immediately creates a copy of the current page. Everything on the page comes along for the ride: text, images, toggles, checklists, and subpages. If the page contains databases, the structure and entries are copied too. If it includes a linked database view, it will still point to the original source database, just like the original page did. The duplicate starts as a fresh page without the original's version history, which is helpful when you want a clean slate. Once the duplicate appears, Notion usually places it right below the original in your sidebar with Copy added to the title. Click into it and give it a clear, descriptive name so you can spot it quickly later. If you want it in a specific folder or parent page, drag the duplicate in the sidebar to move it, or use the Move to option from the same three-dot menu. While you're here, update the icon and cover to visually distinguish it from the original, and review any database filters, sorts, or formulas so they match the new context. If you duplicated a page that was shared, remember that your new copy has its own share settings. It's private to you by default until you choose to share it. And if you duplicated by accident, you can undo right away with your standard undo shortcut. And that's it. You're done. You've successfully duplicated a Notion page. This small step can save you time, keep your workspace consistent, and let you experiment without risking your original content.